All right, this guy's gonna tackle me out here, but I'm gonna see how far I can pull that to the door before things get rowdy. How excited are you to go to BluePrint? Did you hear about this yet?
Yeah.
Cool,
yeah.
man.
Yeah, we're going to BluePrint.
It's gonna be fun.
I'm pumped.
You gonna leave with another engine?
I don't know. We'll see how good I am at
I'm
talking.
wheeling one out the back. It's just gonna happen.
I'll help you. I need to get you one for a Suburban so we can have a Suburban beatdown.
That would be fun.
I'm so down for that.
That would be a lot of fun. Whatever we could do to get one out of there, we'll just make it happen.
All
you
right.
can create a bunch of commotion or something.
Create a
Have
diversion.
Down up front.
No, not at all.
And then, like, oh, she's having a heat stroke or something. And then we just start pushing cranes.
But I think we'll just go in there and we'll look at stuff and kind of eye it up, and then whoever is in there will just be like, hey, you know, like, we're supposed to take this one, and then we will not only steal it, we will get them to help us. So Derek just pulled in and she locked the door, and we're just gonna watch him pull on the door and be sad. Look at him, he's all happy. He doesn't know the door's not gonna open. Do you have any beer?
Come on in.
I got it. We got this figured out. We are permitted to see if we can steal an engine.
Really?
Yes.
You want to see how tight the security is?
I think we should try
We
to.
already
You
have
don't
like
have
a.
to keep it, and you can't wheel it outside, but you can try.
Yeah, it's like just the checkpoint. As long as we get this far, we can imagine that we could.
We've
you
already
know,
been working on game plans. We've got.
Yeah.
We already got a plan.
We got this figured out. I think we shouldn't just try to just steal it. We should try to get them to help us. Like.
This is a beautiful facility.
Well, thank you.
Echo. Yep. Works. Very cool.
Well, do you guys want to go do that? And then we'll jump. How tight are you guys on time?
Oh, we got plenty. I can't run the car till the sun's down, so.
Okay.
We're gonna
Sweet.
wait a little.
You have like, do employees wear lanyards or hard hats or anything?
No.
Okay.
So we don't have to dress up.
Do you know where to go?
Yeah, I know where to go.
Okay, you just kind of point. I'm just gonna walk in like I'm on a mission.
Okay.
Let me see what we can do.
Josh, we're gonna go do the stealing engine thing real quick.
Okay.
And then text you're welcome to go. Well, we're not even gonna. What's that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You got a BluePrint polo I could throw on real fast? I've never worn a button-up polo before. I probably look a little awkward, but yep, approved.
So I mean, like, what kind of engine do you want? Like, we can go in there and you can pick the one that you want.
It's gonna have to be
Oh, I already
kind of a
got you.
run-of-the-mill, you know, undercover engine. We can't go too rowdy.
So you don't want to walk out of here with the biggest thing they make.
Pretty much.
Okay.
Yeah. Wherever the HPs are hiding, like that, that's where we're going.
That one looks small. Yeah. That looks smaller than the engine in El Toro. We could probably swap that out.
I think you're correct. I like this reverse of shiny black color. Eggshell, or is that house paint?
Matte or satin?
Matte. That's what I was looking for. It's really nice. That is a small compressor.
You going along? You want us to holler after you did?
You can shout out.
All right.
Okay, so I think we're gonna go to the R&D room because that's where my engine came from, and that's where they're gonna fall for it.
Okay.
All
Where's
right.
that?
So, okay, lead us to the promised land.
Finally a door frame for me. 10 feet tall. Approved. Can we talk about the smell in here? This needs to be a cologne. Oh yeah. Good job. Keep it up.
Are you gonna create a diversion?
Like what? What do you want me to do?
I don't know.
Well, plan A was fainting, right? We can go with plan B, meltdown, if you want.
Meltdown.
Throw anything that doesn't look expensive, because I only
I'm
have
just
like
gonna go
84
outside
bucks.
that door.
Okay.
So when you get to the door, I'll be out there.
Okay, so I think that means that he thinks we're gonna be able to pull this off.
Okay, tell me about the door layout here. What kind
Okay.
of room we got?
So there's a wall of cubicles here, and there's a door right there. I think we just walk around. We'll figure out which one you want, and then we'll tell somebody.
See it? Chevrolet big block.
We tell someone to say, "Hey, this is mine."
There it is, right here. This is the one.
We ask somebody for some help.
Yeah. He looks real good. But this is definitely my engine, for sure.
Carb to oil pan 454.
Yeah. Drop that thing in later on. That's it for sure. Here to pick up my engine over here, this 454.
I am actually not the person to ask.
Oh, okay.
Probably be him.
This guy? Okay, he'll help me out.
He knows we can't ask him.
Huh?
He's in on it. We can't ask him.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we gotta ask one of them.
This guy down here then?
Yeah, this guy. He doesn't know anything.
Excuse me, sir. How you doing?
Good.
My name's Derek.
Lance.
Lance, nice to meet you. I'm here to pick up my engine. Can you help me get this thing out real quick? All we gotta do is wheel it out the door.
Yeah, not that one.
Not that one?
No.
That's not the one?
Nuh-uh. I think yours is probably back in the warehouse.
Oh,
All crated up.
okay.
Forklift back there.
We gotta head to the warehouse.
I guess we gotta go to the warehouse. I don't know if they said it was in a crate or not. I thought it was one of those test engines
I
back
thought
here.
it was this one, because it wasn't supposed to be a new one. It was supposed to be like a mule deal. I'm pretty positive it's that one. This is where Sean sent us, so. Tell you what, I'll start wheeling it. You just keep working. You're busy. I'm gonna scoot it towards the door. Don't worry about those rear mains. You don't need them. They make a snake oil for that. Okay, where's the big door? This door?
Yeah, I think he said that door, or maybe we gotta go out to the loading door. Let's ask him over here.
Is there a loading door over here?
There's the dyno cells.
What in
Oh,
the world is that?
Oh,
Said you guys went to literally the absolute worst person to go to.
Great.
Don't mind the mess.
well, we could just ask someone else.
The radiator hose, but this would be like a 24-liter V12 we're working on right now.
I have questions, but my brain isn't formulating them quick enough.
I think this is your engine.
How do we get
If you
this?
need a little torque, we can get that done.
How do we get this in the back of a Fox body? Is what I need to know. All right, this guy's gonna tackle me out here, but I'm gonna see how far I can pull that to the door before
Well,
things get rowdy.
should we wheel his engine out there to load it, or go out the man door?
Which engine is that?
The 454.
454, the chrome belt cover.
I don't know, man. Whatever works the best.
All right.
All right,
we're
we'll
going
take
to the dump door.
we'll take it out the big door.
Okay. Where are we gonna take this thing?
When we loaded my engine, they had it out there,
Okay, here we go.
but we could take it out that door, cause we'll just heave it up.
They grease things around here. Apparently.
Yeah, that works pretty well. Here, you need some.
My casters do not roll. Uh-oh.
Oh, they're really blocking it.
John, you gotta move that.
Leaving my crap in you guys' way again.
Oh man, that's okay. It's fine. You're not in the way.
So this is the tour before the tour. It's not in the R&D room. I got a 454 big block here. We're trying to see how far we can get this thing before someone gets down. We're through
We got
two
this.
levels so far.
Through 2 rooms.
It's totally working.
Totally working.
No one says anything. Sean said he was gonna wait outside the door. I don't know which door it was.
This one.
Yeah.
John, go get the overhead, quick.
Don't take it outside.
We better beef up security, huh?
This must be a test deal, huh?
You know, I don't know what's going on with that. We'll walk you through all that plant, but oh yeah, so it's an R&D BOM.
Yeah, because you got some sort of valvulator thing over here on the.
Yeah, the first guy we asked, he's like, "Oh no, not that one," and we had to.
I thought you were going out that door over there. Side door. Yeah.
I thought so too, but that didn't make much sense because that wouldn't fit out there.
What's going on over there?
This is where I backed up to.
They were pretty onto it in that room, so we had to circumvent a little bit.
Yeah.
And we got fingerprints all over it.
It's all right. It's an R&D engine, so.
All right, so she puts it back, right? We can just go on the tour.
Alex, you let him take our engine. Oh, that's fine.
All I can think of is SpongeBob, where Patrick is pulling the jellyfish in the wagon. I don't know if anybody remembers that. He's like, "Come on, Jeffrey."
These guys just walked right into R&D.
Hey, man.
And wheeled out the engine.
Yeah.
Might as well take this one. This would be a good one to take.
I think they're getting a little too comfortable with people being around.
Who's Fox Body?
Well, it's his. I just drive it. He does all the bleep boost and stuff.
I like it. That was fun.
Is that guy there an employee, or is he a thief too?
No, I think he's an employee.
Okay.
Yeah, he looks more concerned about being careful than we did.
He's got a pallet jack. He's a lot smarter than you guys.
Oh, yeah. That's the one we should have aimed for. I don't know what it is, but
Yeah.
it's got stuff on it.
All right, let's get it back and we'll get Josh. You want to holler at Josh? Chris, we'll do a plant tour real quick and probably swing in here, call you. Did he really say that?
Yeah, he did. He's like, "I think yours is in the warehouse," but I knew that.
Good, Derek. We'll get that.
Yeah, he's like, not that one. Nope. See, we should have maybe went,
Man, you're just playing along.
six banger.
Well, I know this video is a bit shorter than the usual ones, but it was just a quick, fun thing that we decided to do. Hanging out with Derek's a good time. I really hope we get to collaborate more on some things. And I keep telling him, like, get a Suburban. Let me know when you help work on it. I'll drive up to Minnesota, no problem. You might notice the mess back here, and there's no merch on the shelves. Well, a little bit. Just Elvis stuff, getting it organized. We're taking all of this to Charlotte with us. So if you see us at Streetcar Takeover Charlotte, come say hi. We got shirts, hats, everything we got, we're bringing with us. So check that out. If you're not going to be there, you can find stuff at staplesandautoworks.com. If you're new here, check and make sure you're subscribed. If you're already subscribed, make sure your notifications are turned on so you don't miss something. Because if you don't click on a video a couple times, then it just doesn't show you anything that I post at all. So you don't want to, video paths change trajectory sometimes with different topics. Sometimes I get off on different branches of things, and then when I go back to the thing that you're here for, you never see it. And that sucks, because I know you want to see it. Usually, probably. Maybe not. Maybe I'm an idiot. We got hat boxes going out too. These hats are on there, all that stuff. And if you order something, everything comes with a signed note. I sign it, Logan writes you a note, every single one. Every single one. Yeah, check out
this
these.
really cool GMC truck shirt that also doubles as a Broncos logo.
Elvis, get on it. There's a hidden 69 in this one too, but I'm not gonna tell you where it is. It's harder to find. Yeah, it's harder to find than the Uncle Rob shirt.